Hello besties, welcome to Not So Shy, the show on Fit Tuck where we talk about the stuff everyone experiences but nobody really talks about. Yep, we are going there today. Period problems, boob sweat, gym anxiety, weird body stuff, it's all fair game here. Because real health isn't always picture perfect, and honestly, it shouldn't be also, right? So today we are diving into one of the most asked and most awkward questions out there. Pads, tampons or menstrual cups, which one actually works best for you? If you are tired of guessing, googling in secret or just want to stop worrying about leaks during leg day, this one's for you. Let's break it down judgment free, TMI included. Now, if you have ever found yourself staring at the pharmacy shelf like, what do I pick? You are not alone. Today we are spilling the tea on what actually works, especially if you are working out, going to college or just trying to live your best life without worrying about the leak. First up, pads, aka also known as the OG of period protection. They are easy to use, no need to insert anything, just stick, adjust and go. They are great when you are on your period and just want to chill at home with a hot water bag, watching Netflix and avoiding all social interactions. But let's be honest, doing a workout in a pad, not it. You jump once and the pad's like, bye-bye. Also that diapery feel when it's super heavy. Yeah, that also doesn't look cute, right? So here is the verdict. Great for overnight or light movement. Not your best friend during sports, run or yoga. Next up is tampons. Tiny, low-key and no one can actually tell whether you are wearing one. Not even you if it's placed right. You can swim, dance, go to gym, even wear white pants if you're feeling risky. Great for medium to heavy flow and they usually stay in place. But here's the real talk. You need to change them every 4 to 6 hours. You cannot forget that. Leaving them in for too long can lead to something serious called toxic shock syndrome. Super rare, but not something you want. Also, if you don't insert it properly, the discomfort is real, like walking around weird real. So here is the verdict. Perfect for active girls. Needs changing plus confidence inserting it. Okay, now let's talk about the menstrual cup, aka the eco-friendly period bestie everyone's either obsessed with or scared of. It's a small flexible silicone cup you fold, insert and it collects blood, not absorbs like tampons. And guess what? It can last 8 to 12 hours. That's right, all day protection. It's reusable, better for the planet and for your wallet too. One cup can last years if you take care of it. But here's the catch again. You gotta get intimate with your body. It takes practice to insert and remove. And the first few times, it might feel a little weird in your vagina. Also, public bathrooms, kinda tricky. You might need a bottle of water or wipes on hand just in case. So here's the verdict. Amazing for long days, workouts and sustainability. Not a beginner friendly but totally worth learning. Now let's do a quick comparison. Pads versus tampons versus menstrual cups. Pads are super beginner friendly. You just stick them on and go. They are great for low activity days, sleeping or when you are just not in the mood to deal with anything internal. But during workouts, they can shift, feel bulky and honestly not the most comfortable for movement. Also not the best friend of environment. You need to change them every 4 to 6 hours. Also not the best for the environment since they are a single use. Tampons are much better if you are on the move. You can swim, run and even do HIIT workout without worrying about leaks. When inserted properly, they are super discreet and comfortable. Just remember to change them every 4 to 6 hours to avoid any risk of toxic shock syndrome. They are disposable too, so not the most eco-friendly but a solid option for active days. Menstrual cups are the dark horse. Once you get the hang of them, they are a total game changer. They collect blood instead of absorbing it, so they last way longer, up to 12 hours. They are reusable, making them super eco-conscious and cost-effective over time. Comfort-wise, surprisingly amazing, but yes, it takes a few tries to get it right. If you are down to learn, it's totally worth it. In short, pads are comfy for chill days but not gym-friendly. Tampons are great for active days but need regular changes. Cups take practice but they are long-lasting, leak-proof and eco-friendly. Choose what fits your vibe. There is no wrong answer, just what works best for you. And hey, don't stress if you are still figuring it out. We all have had a leak moment in school or a stain we had to cover with a jacket. There is no one-size-fits-all for periods. Some days you are a pad girl, other days you feel adventurous with a cup. And if you are worried about what's normal, trust me, no one knows what they are doing at first. It's all about trying, learning and finding your comfort zone. So whether you bleed red like a warrior or cry over cramps with a hot water bottle and chocolate, you are doing just fine. Try what works best for you, talk to your friends, experiment safely and most importantly, don't be shy to ask questions. This is Not So Shy on Fit Tak, where we talk about stuff everyone deals with but nobody talks about. Like, share and hit that subscribe button because your period deserves better than just awkward silence. See you next time. Bye-bye.